decoration for Easter.
Yeah.
Why did you put it there?
Ellie, what up by the lights?
There's a pink and purple one. So that means we have to share. There's a purple one for me.
Be careful. Just be careful.
There's 3 of them this time, Emmett. Here, Emmett. I'll have to. You have another purple one. I think that means he's so excited. You have your own boy chapstick.
Ellie, where did the Easter Bunny hide all your stuff? Where was the silliest place?
In the laundry room because he did it in the dryer.
Oh.
Silly Easter Bunny.
Where else in the laundry room did he hide your stuff?
Oh, well, let's find some more Easter candy things. Look at all my stuff look at all my candy on it.
Did he put some in your shoes, honey?
Uh-huh.
Silly.
Not my shoes.
Emmett, did the Easter Bunny put stuff in your shoes too?
Yeah. What was he? He's silly. It's me. Hey, go Fernando. Why? What did Emmett say?
He said the Easter Bunny is a goofinator. Did you guys find lots of stuff?
Look at myself.
Wow.
Look at all my stuff.
You have so much, Ellie.
Yes, I do. This is only mine, Emmett, so you can't take it.
Yeah.
No, I need one more thing. Here.
Can you guys say Happy Easter?
Happy